The world of aerial and handheld filming is about to change dramatically as DJI prepares to unleash one of its most ambitious lineups ever. 2025 and 2026 are shaping up to be landmark years for creators, with a wave of new products that could redefine how we capture stories, adventures, and cinematic moments. Imagine the next evolution of compact creativity: cameras that think smarter, drones that fly longer, and devices that merge power with portability like never before. DJI is once again proving that innovation is not just about upgrades, it's about reimagining what's possible. The excitement begins with whispers surrounding the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4. This isn't just a minor refresh of the popular Pocket 3, it's reportedly a total redesign that could change the way creators use handheld gimbals forever. Sources hint at a dual-camera system similar to DJI's Air 3 drone, combining a large primary sensor with a secondary lens for zoom or depth sensing capabilities. That could unlock features like precise subject tracking, realistic 3D-style depth effects, and more intelligent autofocus. Early prototype leaks even suggest extra glass elements on the front, possibly signaling telephoto capabilities or enhanced optical depth perception. It's like DJI wants to merge the brains of an AI camera with the precision of a gimbal system. The result? A device that feels more like a creative partner than just a tool. Another major upgrade might come in the form of a dual-screen setup, offering a 2.5-inch main display that punches through glare with over 800 nits of brightness, plus a front-facing screen for vloggers and solo shooters. That addition alone would make the Pocket 4 a dream for content creators who value mobility and speed. But such innovation comes at a cost. Price rumors suggest a range between $599 and $699, higher than the previous model, though considering it might pack AI-driven tracking, dual optics, and professional-grade color science into one palm-sized device. That price bump could be more than justified. Some reports point toward a late 2025 release, while others stretch predictions into 2026 or even 2027. Either way, when it arrives, it might just set a new benchmark for pocket-sized filmmaking. DJI isn't stopping at handhelds. For action enthusiasts, the upcoming Osmo Action 6 is said to push the limits even further. Expect more rugged durability, advanced heat management, and upgraded image processing that can handle extreme sports, deep dives, and high-speed chases without breaking the sweat. Integration with wearables like Apple Watch and Garmin could add a new layer of control, starting and stopping recordings, switching modes, and tracking performance metrics like heart rate, altitude, and pace right from your wrist. Garmin users might even get exclusive features like cadence and power data, turning the camera-watch combo into a full-on adventure dashboard. Under the hood, the next-gen DJI cameras are rumored to feature a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor delivering 13.5 stops of dynamic range, a huge leap in image quality. Add 8K recording at 30 frames per second and ultra-smooth 4K at 120, and suddenly, we're talking true cinema in the palm of your hand. A robust USB-C port with possible DisplayPort output, and a 1950 mAh battery capable of powering over 4 hours of continuous 4K footage would make it not just powerful but practical. It's easy to see why creators are calling it the dream rig for travel filmmakers and content creators. Shifting from handhelds to the sky, DJI's confirmed Neo to drone has the community buzzing. Official documentation, including FCC filings and insider dealer information, points to a November 2025 release. This small but mighty drone is shaping up to be the ultimate entry-level cinematic flyer, not just for hobbyists but for creators who want big storytelling power in a compact form. It's light, fast, and powered by DJI's latest AI-driven ActiveTrack 6.0 system, allowing for precise tracking, gesture commands, and even voice control. Whether you're chasing sunsets or carving mountain trails, the Neo 2 seems built for storytelling on the go. Pricing looks equally friendly, with the base model starting at around $229, including a controller and one battery. Combo packages add more flight time and accessories, with higher-end editions including motion controllers for full FPV-style experiences. The Neo 2 seems to hit that sweet spot between affordability and performance, offering beginner-friendly operation without sacrificing cinematic punch. For many, it's looking like the perfect blend of fun and filmmaking freedom, a drone that practically flies itself while you focus on creating. Then comes the beast, the DJI Avata 3. Building on the wildly popular Avata 2, this FPV drone appears ready to redefine immersive flight. Rumors suggest a complete redesign, sleeker and more aerodynamic, with the battery relocated to improve balance and free up front space for a new, larger camera module. And yes, that new camera might house a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, a monumental step up from the 1.3-inch unit found in its predecessor. The result? Cleaner low-light shots, richer colors, and drastically improved image quality that can finally satisfy even professional videographers. With the ability to shoot 4K at 120 frames per second, DJI could be giving FPV pilots a whole new level of creative control. The potential improvements don't stop there. Flight time might stretch close to 30 minutes thanks to smarter motors and better power management, impressive for an FPV setup. DJI could also be introducing omnidirectional obstacle detection for full 360 awareness, reducing crash risks and making the drone friendlier for beginners. Enhanced rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization systems, possibly joined by a new mechanical gimbal, would deliver smooth footage even during intense maneuvers. Expect upgrades to their C-Motion 3 controller and Goggles 3 headset as well, likely improving ergonomics and flight immersion. Given DJI's release rhythm, the Avata 3 could drop between late 2025 and early 2026, right in time for creators to level up their aerial storytelling. But perhaps the most intriguing rumor in the mix isn't about drones at all, it's about DJI entering the mirrorless camera market. The idea of a DJI mirrorless camera has been floating around for months, and while nothing is confirmed, the speculation alone has the photography world paying attention. Well-known leakers have hinted that DJI might be preparing a camera that blends its mastery of stabilization and video technology with a compact, interchangeable lens system. The rumored specs sound enticing: a 42-megapixel micro four thirds sensor, 6K or 8K RAW recording, and support for DJI's cinematic D-Log color profile. If true, it would be a serious contender for creators who prioritize both mobility and high-end video quality. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything, even responding to curious Reddit users with a polite no comment, the possibility feels more realistic than ever. After all, DJI has already proven its sensor and stabilization expertise through products like the Osmo and Inspire lines. If they do venture into mirrorless territory, expect a camera focused heavily on video features, with hybrid capabilities for photography. It could directly challenge Sony, Canon, and Nikon brands that have long dominated the professional mirrorless scene. A DJI mirrorless could be a game-changer, offering creators one integrated ecosystem across drones, gimbals, and cameras. And then there's the Air 4, the upcoming evolution of one of DJI's most beloved drone lines. Rumors suggest a stronger, more durable body with reinforced arms and a refined, Mavic-inspired design. The Air 4 might include a variable aperture for better control in challenging light conditions, and in a surprise move possibly a mechanical shutter. That addition alone would eliminate rolling shutter distortion, a huge win for those capturing fast-moving subjects. If the Air 3 impressed with its flight stability and 46-minute battery life, the Air 4 could stretch that to around 50 minutes, nearly an hour of flight time for pros chasing the perfect cinematic sequence. Other anticipated upgrades include enhanced active ETRAC, improved AQ-Sync transmission for stronger, longer connections, and smarter AI-assisted flight paths. All these enhancements could, however, bump the price into the $1,200 range, pushing it closer to premium territory. Yet, for those who demand top-tier imaging performance without the bulk of a Mavic, the Air 4 might hit the perfect balance between portability and power. Altogether, DJI's rumored and confirmed 2025 to 2026 lineup paints a thrilling picture. From the palm-sized Osmo Pocket 4 to the cinematic Neo 2, the adrenaline-packed Avata 3, and the potentially revolutionary mirrorless camera, the brand is once again blurring the lines between professional tools and consumer creativity. Every product feels like part of a bigger vision, one where the barrier between imagination and execution keeps getting thinner. Whether you're a filmmaker, a traveler, a vlogger, or a weekend creator, DJI's next wave of innovation could change how you see the world, literally from every angle. The only question left is, are you ready to capture it?